If you try out this recipe, you won't regret it at all. This is it.
Sawadee-ka! Hi everyone! Today let's make mu wan, which is basically caramelized pork belly or candied pork belly. That's because the key ingredient of this dish is pork belly, palm sugar syrup, and red shallots. The flavors of the red shallots is really prominent and the flavors really shine through, and that's what makes this dish so stinking delicious. So let's not waste any more time and get started. Here are our ingredients. We have plain water, pork belly, palm sugar syrup, red shallots, cooking oil, dark soy sauce, fish sauce, and lastly, oyster sauce. When you get your pork belly, clean it and drain it well. You don't want any dripping water from this, and cut it into about bite size. This size is really good. It's not too big or not too small. So it's 2021 and it's a new norm. It's very common to be wearing face shield, but face shields are not only for the current situation. It can also be used in the kitchen. For instance, we are going to wear our face shield to cut our shallots, to slice our shallots, so that there won't be any like teary eye in the slicing process. So let's wear this and get slicing. Wearing the face shield really works. This is what you want, just like thinly sliced. They don't have to be so thin. Just about that will do. We start by stir frying the shallots in vegetable oil on high heat. Stir fry them until they are done and become really fragrant. When they are soft like this, it means that they are about done. When they are looking like this, you can then add in your pork belly. Maintain the heat on high. It may look like there's a lot of shallots, but the shallots are the key ingredient of this recipe. They are what make mu wan so delicious. After you're done combining them, add in all of the seasoning ingredients and combine it well again. After you're done mixing, we're going to add in plain water and cover with lid for 40 minutes. We are using the heat between medium and high. We're going to reduce the liquid, and this process takes about 40 minutes. You still have to constantly check on them. It's been 40 minutes and it have reduced and thickened, but it's going to thicken further. When they are looking like this, you can reduce the heat to about a medium. Then we're going to add in the palm sugar syrup. The reason that we add the palm sugar syrup right now is because if we add them earlier, they are going to burn. I have made a separate video on how to make palm sugar syrup. Since it's in syrup form, it's really convenient to use. The link to that will be down below. Combine until thicken, but you don't want it to thicken all the way, because it will still continue to set after you remove it from the heat. So take them out when they look like they are about 90% done. And this is our mu wan. It takes about 1 hour for this dish to be completed, but it's so worth it. And if you try out this recipe, you won't regret it. The flavors that leads in mu wan, like the name suggests, is sweet, and then you have got these beautiful shallots flavors, and everything is just works so well together. So now let's just give this a try.
This look really promising and I just can't wait. So I've got 2 pieces here and with the rice. Let's give this a try. Everything is just so well balanced. You have got the sweet, slightly salty, and also the juicy pork. It's so incredibly juicy. You need to try this for yourself.